Hello friends and welcome back to Nona Fun. Today we're going to be doing one of the Wiggles' favorite things, practicing our alphabet, or as some people call it, our ABCs. The first letter in the alphabet is A. There's a long A and a short A. The short A goes ah, like apple. It looks like Anthony found an apple. The long A says its name, A. Long A says A and short A says ah. The next letter of the alphabet is B, and the B says B, like ball. Looks like Simon found a ball. The next letter is C, and the C goes k, like cake. And look, there's a yummy cake for Emma to snack on with her friends. Next we have D, and the D says duh. Here's letter E. Just like the letter A, the E can make a long sound or a short sound. A long E says its name, E. And the short A says eh. After E comes F. And F goes f. Then we have the letter G. G like grape, g. And Lachy found some grapes. Next we have H, and H goes ha. Here's I. Just like A and E, I can be long or short. The long I says I like ice cream. And the short I says eh. I wonder who would like some ice cream right about now. Anthony, of course. Anthony would like some ice cream. Next we have J. And the J goes ja. Next we have the K, and the K says ka. L says oh. After L comes M, like mug. Emma would like to have a mug. Then we have N. Here comes O. This card's upside down. There we go. Now we've got the uppercase O on top. Like the A and the E and the I, the O can be long or short. A long O says its name, O. And the short O says ah. Next we have P, which goes p, like plate. Lachy can hold on to that plate now. Next we have Q, and Q goes qua. R is next. R goes After R comes S, and S goes S, like sandwich. I wonder if Simon would like a sandwich. Then we have T, and T goes T, T, T. After T comes U, and just like A and E and I and O, the U can be long or short. When the U is long, it says its name, U. When it's short, it says After U comes V. The V says V. Next, we have W. W says W, like water bottle. Who would like a water bottle? How about Anthony? After that, we have X. X goes X, X. We're almost through. Now we're up to Y. The Y goes yeah, like this yellow alarm clock. I think we know who could use that, Lachy. And finally, we have Z or Z, which goes zzz. Now that the Wiggles are done practicing their alphabet, Simon can play with his ball and eat his sandwich. Lachy can eat his grapes on his plate. And when he's done, he can set his yellow alarm clock. Meanwhile, Emma can eat her cake and maybe sip from her mug, while Anthony over here uses his water bottle and nibbles on his apple and finishes off with his ice cream. Thanks for stopping by, friends. We'll see you next time on Nona Fun.